Why constructive code review matters.
Constructive feedback is a cornerstone of great software development. Effective code reviews not only improve code quality, but also help build trust and collaboration within a development team. When feedback is clear and respectful, developers feel valued and are more open to learning and improving, leading to healthier projects and a stronger work environment.
Focus on the code, not the person.
Keep feedback objective and impersonal. Comment on specific lines or functions, and use language that addresses the code itself rather than the author. For example, say, "This function could be simplified," rather than "You wrote this wrong." This approach reduces defensiveness and emphasizes learning, making it easier for everyone to engage positively.
Be specific and actionable.
Vague suggestions can be confusing and unhelpful. Instead, point to exact sections of code and explain clearly why a change is needed. Propose concrete improvements, like consider renaming this variable for clarity, or refactor this block to improve performance. Actionable feedback helps your teammate understand what's expected and makes it easier to address issues.
Balance criticism with praise.
Acknowledge what works well, not just what needs fixing. Highlight creative solutions, clean logic, or good documentation. Including positive feedback demonstrates appreciation for your colleagues' efforts and encourages them to keep doing what works. This balance keeps morale high and reinforces a culture of continuous improvement.
Encourage questions and discussion.
Invite dialogue rather than delivering a monologue. Ask open-ended questions like, "What was your reasoning for this approach?" Or, "Could another method be more efficient?" By encouraging discussion, you make the review process a two-way street, fostering mutual respect and shared understanding that lead to better code and better collaboration.